Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my another video. So how are you all today? Hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Creator. And right now, as you can see, there are two guests. They have come for making videos, and I will ask them some questions, and I will know their opinion how they have learned English language, and lots of different types of questions I will ask. So first of all, I would like to ask you, so what's your name?
Oh, yes, my name is Turgul Islam Sani.
Okay, so Lima, no, I don't know you. Who are you? So please,
problem.
what's your name? You can mention.
Oh, my full name is MD Limon. Me, everyone call me Limon. You can call me Limon.
Okay, so guys, right now I would like to clear first of all that I am and Limon, we have learned our English language from our home. Am I right?
Yeah.
And he has learned from English therapy, so it's a really different story. So actually, you all know about ourselves and about our story English journey. So I'd like to know different, and you are highly interested to know something different from others. So that's why we have a new guest, and we will know lots of things from him. So first of all, I would like to ask you that actually, would you please say something about your English journey?
Yeah, of course. Oh, the English journey, it was incredible. And actually, if someone want to learn from their house, they want to learn English, no problem. But actually, I was really like hanky-panky. For this reason, I'm bound to go there because of my past journey, my past life. It was not good. Every day, every day, I wake up after 10, after 11, after 12, and sometimes when I wake up that time I'm listen Ajan is going on. For this reason, my father told me that you have to go English therapy. It's better for you.
Yes.
So for this reason, I went there.
Wow. So do you think you have changed your life at least a little
Yeah,
bit?
it was my turning point. It was
Yeah.
my turning point in my life because of right now I speak in English, so it's very incredible moment, and it's really big for me because of past time some teacher taught me like Khaled sir. He also give me motivation, as well as he always tried to give me motivation, and also taught me a new thing.
Yes.
But after complete when he teach me, after complete I didn't open my book. So for this reason, and English is if you won't practice every day, so you can't, you just lost your fluency, right?
So right now, do you think English language is a piece of cake for you?
Yeah, right now it's just a piece of cake for me.
Definitely. So I'm really delighted by talking to you because it's my pleasure. I'm talking to you, and you have completed your English journey from
For when I
English
went
therapy.
there after two months, I'm realized that if anyone want to learn English from their house, it's possible, no problem.
Yes.
Actually, they just gave us something, trends, models, and most interested thing is they gave us environment.
Yes,
Right?
it's a crucial element. So we need this.
But if someone want to learn English from their house, first of all they have to make sure that they get environment, as well as they get partners.
Yes.
Without partners, it's not possible. Yeah, without partners, it's possible because you have to motivate it yourself.
Yeah.
And which is very,
Okay.
which is very difficult.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
So I think you are paying.
Okay, no problem. So now I'd like to know something about from Limon because guys, you all know about both of ourselves because we have shared lots of videos with you. So he also knows. So how is your feelings that actually Sanikaku has learned English language from English therapy? So anywhere, but he has learned. So you have we have got a new partner with whom we can practice in English, and actually without facing any mumbling problem or hesitations, we can practice every day. So it's a really good thing. So how do you see it?
Yeah. First of all, before going this question, I want to mention another thing. That is, right now since 3 minutes or 4 minutes, that is both of you are talking, and I'm just listening. That is how they are speaking. It's totally incredible. That is, I have got two partners for practicing English, and that is my question. That was my question. That is, and if how can I see? Am I right? This method, okay. Sunny, he learned from English therapy. It's good, and Mahmoud and me, we are still learning English language from our home, and we faced a lot of problem. That is, we need more guideline for knowing something, not for speaking or not for listening. We wanna know like about books, about like different type of news or different type of things. That is, we wanna know, but we don't find on the time. We don't find on the time, but nowadays we are finding this type of problem very gradually, and I think it's good for us, because if we will practice, and another thing is, if we will practice regularly like this way, within a very short time we can make us a fluent English speaker, like native English speaker. It's possible for us, because we're a human being. That's it.
And most of the thing is right now in our village, a bunch of student, bunch of guy, they are they are able to they are able to learn English. So we have to actually we have to large this place in our village, and we have to help our village people.
Yes,
so,
definitely.
So that they want to learn English from us.
The things I would like to say one thing, then we will finish this video. So that is, actually we are trying to prove that from home it's possible to speak in English from home, so that anyone cannot excuse that actually no bro, it's not possible to learn English from home. So if you need any helps, definitely you can say there are two dams in our society whose name is English Boss and Englishman. They will help you every time. If you need any types of helps, they will instruct you, they will guide you.
So, and to be honest, English therapy I have completed my course, but to be honest, they didn't give us like out of anything. Okay, it's totally depend on ourselves. They just help us for showing ourselves.
Yes,
right.
Yes,
so everyone, if everyone want to show their self, they want properly.
Last of all, I want to mention another thing. That is, from where we can learn English language. Any place we can learn English language. That is, for example, Mahmoud, he is learning English language from home, and another example is Tariq Islam Sani. He is learning English. He have learned something a little bit, not more.
He has learned
from English therapy. There is institution, and we are still learning from our home. It's possible. There is from where, if you will stay alone, if you will stay in a different place,
so
we
thank
can
you very
learn,
much.
no problem.
So last of all, I would like to tell you, actually environment, anyone want to give you environment, you have to make every place you have to make environment everywhere. Or when I go my college, I try to speak in English with Limon, and everything I just try to speak in English, practice in English. Every moment you have to try to speak in English. Bangla you have to avoid for at least 3 months especially, and it's actually their slogan, it's not my slogan. Because English therapy always.
I heard the sound you saw. You are saying that is Bangla don't understand.
For learning, Bangla don't understand. I just try to make fun, but for learning purpose we can use Bengali words, but most of the time we shouldn't actually use Bengali words. When we need to know something, then we can use, but otherwise you have to try to speak in English. And where especially I would like to tell my society's people who are watching my videos, now you have got 2% as well as me, as well as my brother. We are always ready to help you. If you want to learn English, you can inform us. We will try our level best. Am I right?
Of course.
So we will try our level best to help you so that you can speak in English. So now we don't like to make it more longer. I hope you will enjoy today's videos, because we are 3 person who can speak in English. So we are passing our time actually together. So it's a really amazing moment. So thank you very much for watching our videos. So assalamu alaikum.